Hello student, this is Monica Sharma. Today we will discuss question 9 exercise 5.1. In this question, in the adjoining figure, you have a figure and you given the answer of the following question. First is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Angle 1 is that AOC is angle 1 and angle 2 is COE is angle 2. You ask that angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent. First of all, you know that what is a adjacent angle. Adjacent angle, if any two angle adjacent angle, then they fulfill three conditions. First condition, there is a common vertex, common arm, and non-common arms are on either side of the common arms. Here AOC and COE. We draw here AOC. That is your angle 1. And second is angle 2, COE. COE. That is angle 2. Here common vertex. You see that O is the common vertex because AOC, O is also come, and COE, O is also come. So angle AOC and angle COE, so they have a common vertex O. First condition fulfill. Second is a common arm. So OC comes both angle. AOC come OC and COE come OC. So OC is a common arms, and you can say side. Okay, second condition also fulfill. Now third, non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. It means that जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म होगी वो जो कॉमन आर्म से उसके अलग अलग साइड होनी चाहिए, मतलब एक साइड ना होके एक इधर साइड होनी चाहिए. इट मीन्स एक इस साइड होनी चाहिए और एक इस साइड होनी चाहिए. तो OC इज अ कॉमन आर्म, सो वन OA इज हेयर एंड OE is here, and these two arms on either side of the common arm. So the answer of this question is yes. Now come to second part. Is AOC adjacent to AOE? Here AOC. Firstly we draw here AOC. AOC, AOC. Then AOE, AOE. It's given AOC. AOC means this. AOC. This is AOC. Okay. Second is AOE. This is AOE. Okay. In this part, you ask that these two angles adjacent or not. So we check these three conditions. First condition is common vertex in angle AOC and angle AOE. Common vertex AOC and AOE. Here is a common vertex O. So first condition is fulfilled. Second is a common arms. Common arms AOC, AOE. AO जो है वो दोनों एंगल्स में आ रही है. So second condition also fulfilled. Third is non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. Here is a common arm. O is common arm, but non-common arm not in either side. वो अलग अलग साइड ना होके एक ही साइड पे आ रही हैं दोनों. इसमें जो थी वो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स जो थी वो कॉमन आर्म के इधर साइड थी, एक इस साइड थी तो एक इस साइड थी, बट इन दिस पार्ट जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स है वो एक ही साइड आ गई. ओके, सो थर्ड कंडीशन नॉट फुलफिल. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस पार्ट इज नो. And if asked the reason why, the answer is come no, because non-common arm are not either side of the common arm. क्योंकि जो नॉन कॉमन आर्म है वो इधर साइड नहीं है कॉमन आर्म्स के, तो थर्ड कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं हो रही. अगर आपसे रीजन पूछा जाता है क्यों नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस कंडीशन इज नॉट फुलफिल. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस पार्ट इज नो. नाउ कम ऑन टू थर्ड पार्ट. Third is, do angle COE and EOD form a linear pair? Here is a angle COE and angle EOD form a linear pair. Means ये मिलके linear pair बना रहे हैं. Linear pair is what they make a straight line. अगर एक straight line आती है then we say that angle are in linear pair. So firstly we draw COE and EOD. Here COE and EOD. COE this and this is EOD. In question are that they make a linear pair. Linear pair means they make a straight line. Is they make a straight line? Yes or no? Yes, they make a straight line. ये straight line बना रहे हैं. So answer of this part is yes, because they make a straight line. Okay, now come to fourth part. Are BOD and DOA supplementary? Means जो एंगल है वो supplementary एंगल है. Supplementary angle is that who make a 180 degree angles and they make also a straight line. In this figure they make a straight line. In this part BOD angle 4 and angle 5, they make a straight line. It means that they are supplementary. So the answer of this part is also yes. Okay. In next part of this question, is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Vertical opposite angle is that when two lines intersect each other and the angle form, that is called vertical opposite angle. So in the figure, two lines intersect and these are the vertical opposite angle. So the answer of this part is yes, angle 1 and angle 4 are vertical opposite angle. In next part of this question, what is the vertical opposite to angle 5? Here is angle 5. So what is the vertical opposite to angle 5? Here is the figure. Angle 5 is here. Vertical opposite angle is that there and there. So vertical opposite angle is 2 and 3. We add these two angles, means angle 2 plus angle 3 is the vertical opposite angle of angle 5. So the answer of this part is angle 2 plus angle 3 is the vertically opposite angle of angle 5. Okay, I think all the part of this question you clear. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.